First Saturday day off in a long time. So let's explore. Let's explore Footscray Market. We got Bunny. Coco. Tourist yarn. Say hi kay Kai.
As a tourist.
Okay, magkukoko daw si Kai Kai. Coco milk tea for breakfast. Ang atake ni Kai Kai. I think I'll get Vietnamese iced coffee. Got my coffee. On the way home. Hello, we're home. Mic test. Hello, hello. Hindi ko na kailangan ng basta. Hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to my cooking show. Hi ka naman, Teka. We're gonna cook caldereta for today. Charot. And Teka will cook tinola. Badminton time!
basketball doon. Badminton done! Uwian na! It's eating time. Hi, Buray Rai! How are you feeling after our badminton game?
Stupid.
Talunan. Loser! Charot, magkakampi kami. How about you, Kesha Fefi? Are you feeling good? How's your tennis elbow? Still elbowing. Time to eat caldereta and tinola. Okay, our next contestant is contestant number 2 from Iloilo. Start na ba yun? Ang kanyang kakalabanin ay 147 over 97.
You want your yogurt?
Buka na.
Surprise.
Oh my God! Alo, nag-180 na si Bakla.
Hindi.
And the winner is... Tan 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 tan
Hindi ko si ate kaya mag-feature for today's video.
And the winner is...
Ala.
But unpopular.
Oh my God!
Wow! Kesha Faye! Woo!
156 over 104. Isa pa?
Kahit yung layas ko
Ano pa?
Kumukomment yung 147.
padaluin mo yung
I'm the next contestant. Okay, I'm next.
Hindi na nasasara yung... Yummy! Ito ko na, ganyan tayo.
Gutom na si Kuya Maui mo, oh.
Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders,
Oh, wait,
knees,
no,
and
sa
toes.
US, US, Australia na yun. Dito yun.
Ears and mouth and nose. Head,
Uy, ba't umakakit din ng mataas? Puta to ah.
Relax ka lang, te.
head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes.
Pilipino rin tayo dyan, di ba? Na ano?
Yung purple wig.
Nakikita mo ba yung mga TikTok nyo? Gago eh.
Shoulders, knees, and
127 over 83. Okay lang ba yun?
Perfect, yes. Very normal.
I'm the winner, Chares. Yung 100, okay lang yan na pulse.
Yes.
Okay, next player. Player number 4.
Gusto mo, dyan na tayo matulog.
Doon yung si Maui.
Wala, ibinenta na kasi ni Kat Kim yung ano niya eh. Pwede na babayad siya.
Alin?
Yung extra bed niya.
Isabel. Ano ba yung BP mo usually? Normal naman.
Hindi nga 107.
Meron din kaming extra... Yeah, extra bed frame. Okay lang.
Akala ko kung walang kwentang podcast.
Oo nga, yun yung ano lang.
Uy, nice!
Ha?
Okay, our next contestant. Contestant number 5.
Huwag ng kaldereta.
Oo nga.
Kaldereta ko po.
Feeling ko,
Hindi ko kailangan parang mababa naman.
Oo, parang normal naman.
Bigyan mo 70.
Pero dati, super taas ng heart rate ko. Yun yung hindi nila
Oh?
ma-figure out kung bakit.
Oh, 120.
Uy, wow! Ganda na sa'yo.
Pero, tingnan nyo, ang taas ng heart rate ko.
102 lang naman. Okay, next contestant. Ang pinakabata sa lahat.
Wala ba kayo?
We'll see. The blood pressure. Ano, how old are you?
22.
22 and very fresh. Wow! Ikaw talaga ang tunay na winner. Love it. That's the real flex.
160.
Grabe. Iba pala pagbata, no?